Number 6, give a speech. It means to deliver a formal address to an audience.
The principal will give a speech at assembly. The principal will give a speech at assembly. She gave a speech at her graduation ceremony. She gave a speech at her graduation ceremony. He's nervous about giving a speech tomorrow. He's nervous about giving a speech tomorrow.
Number 7, give a presentation. It means to present information to an audience, often in a formal setting.
Next week, I have to give a presentation for class. Next week, I have to give a presentation for class. They gave a successful presentation to the company. They gave a successful presentation to the company. She's preparing to give a presentation on her project. She's preparing to give a presentation on her project.
Number 8, give attention to. It means to focus or concentrate on something.
You should give attention to your homework. You should give attention to your homework. The teacher gives attention to each student in class. The teacher gives attention to each student in class. He gave attention to the details of the plan. He gave attention to the details of the plan.
Number 9, give advice. It means to offer suggestions or recommendations about what someone should do.
My parents always give good advice. My parents always give good advice. Can you give me some advice on this? Can you give me some advice on this? She gave her friend advice about traveling. She gave her friend advice about traveling.
Number 10, give a sigh of relief. It means to express relief through a long, deep breath.
Everyone gave a sigh of relief after the exams. Everyone gave a sigh of relief after the exams. He gave a sigh of relief when he heard the news. He gave a sigh of relief when he heard the news. She gave a sigh of relief when her team won. She gave a sigh of relief when her team won.